to Rekha and I'm here again with a new recipe, and this is a healthy Ayurvedic proteinaceous breakfast recipe, and also you can have it as a dinner. At least some of you might have heard this dish before, and it is called Besan Chilla, and you may be wondering what is Ayurvedic about this dish. Actually, everything about this dish is Ayurvedic. If you're somebody with a lot of heat in your body, if you get constant mouth ulcers, heat boils, different kinds of skin diseases, then besan is amazing for you. You can also have it if you have diabetes or if you're trying to lose weight. So all of these benefits in one single dish, we are going to make it, and it's very easy. So let's get started.
First step, let's start by assembling the most important ingredients: the tomatoes, a piece of ginger, carrots, shallots. I'm just gonna make a couple of besan pancakes for me, so I've just taken 4 to 5 small shallots. Rough chopping is enough, as you don't have to finely chop them, as we are going to blend this later. Shallots give a nice aromatic flavor to the dish. If you don't have shallots, you can always use the big onions. Let's chop some chilies. Don't be scared looking at the chili, because even if it looks big, it is not so spicy. Chopping some tomatoes. You may be wondering why I am doing so much of a surgery on the tomatoes. What is a big deal? I will explain to you why. I have de-seeded, and also I have peeled the skin off, because tomatoes are primarily nightshades according to Ayurveda, and these are slightly inflammatory, and the seeds are also not that great for the body. Hence this is de-seeded and peeled tomatoes. These are chopped shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can always use onions. Half an onion will do. And here are the rest of the veggies. You can add any veggies that you like. Here I have added just carrots and a little bit of chili. If you have kids at home and you're making this for kids, you can skip the chilies, and a little bit of ginger.
So let's go ahead and make the recipe.
Add all the veggies to a blender and try to blend it, but you don't have to make it into a fine paste. Just a little bit of blending is enough. The next step is a pro-Ayurvedic step. Here I am going to saute all the chopped vegetables with a little bit of ghee to make it more digestive, because if you eat raw veggies, according to Ayurveda, it can cause bloating, it can cause gas, and it can increase the vata in the body. So we are just going to saute the veggies a little bit in ghee. First, add besan. Add Himalayan pink salt. It is a super anti-inflammatory salt and something that Ayurveda advises to have daily. Now I am adding ajwain. This is my secret trick to release all the flavors of ajwain by crushing it between your palms. Then add cumin. Cumin enhances digestion. The next step is anti-Ayurvedic step, where I am adding red chili powder. If you don't want to add red chili powder, please use green chilies, because that is more Ayurvedic than red chili powder, and it is easy for the stomach too. And then add a little bit of pepper powder and a little bit of turmeric. Now add all the vegetables that we have sauteed. Mix it well with water. Again, when you use water, this part can be a little tricky. Don't add too much water in the beginning, because if the batter gets very runny, then you cannot make nice pancakes out of it. So add water enough, little by little, to bring it to a consistency like this, so that it spreads evenly on the pan and you can have nice, fluffy, round pancakes. The consistency should not be thick or it should not be too thin. Take an iron pan, add a little bit of ghee on top of the iron pan. The batter looks nice now and is of the right consistency. So let's get started with making the pancake now. Take an iron pan, add a little bit of ghee on top of it and add the pancake batter slowly with the help of a spoon. You can use the flat surface of the spoon to spread the batter out evenly on the pan. You can see I have added ghee multiple times to this dish because ghee in the cooked form is like nectar to humans. So it increases your digestive fire and it helps with absorption of all the nutrients from your diet, and hence it has to be the hero ingredient in all my recipes, even those recipes which are coming in the future. Anyways, I'm getting this rich aroma from the pancakes that I can't wait to try this. I wish I could make you smell this right now. Anyways, let me go and try it without much ado. Forgot to mention one thing, that if you're new to my channel, I'm Dr. REKHA. I'm a 4th generation Ayurvedic doctor, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and support my little YouTube channel just the way you have supported my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will definitely come back with a lot more videos in future. Thank you.
It's too good. It's delicious, it's proteinaceous, it's guilt-free. It is gluten-free and it's light to digest, like a hug to your tummy. Try this recipe and let me know.